difference to minus 2.
Now we are going to describe about the numericals of volume and surface area of solid. Now you have already learned what is the formulas used in this part. Already in previous class I have already discussed about this. Now the problem is the area of a courtyard is 3750. Find the cost of covering it with gravel to a height of 1 centimeter. If the gravel costs 6 rupees 40 paise per cubic meter, then I am drawing this. Now this is the diagram. Suppose this is the courtyard. Look at this diagram. Okay, suppose this was the courtyard. Okay, this was the courtyard first, and after dropping some pebbles like this, the height is raised. Height is raised. Height is raised of centimeter. 1 centimeter height is raised. Then you should have to convert centimeter. 1 centimeter into 1 meter. 1 centimeter, that is equal to 1 divided by 100 meter, that is equal to 0.01 meter. Now what will be the volume? What will be the volume of this courtyard after dropping the pebbles onto them, onto this courtyard? This was the courtyard. Suppose this height is 1 centimeter or 0.01 meter. First, the area is given. The base area is given. Area here is given 3750 meter square. How can you get the volume? The surface area into height, that will be the volume. Volume of the courtyard, that is V will be 3750 into 0.01 meter. Then it is 3750 meter square into meter. That we can simplify this. Then we will get the volume of this courtyard after dropping the pebbles. After dropping the pebbles, this height will be raised. This is the height. This height is 1 centimeter or 0.1 meter. Now, if the cost of 1 cubic meter, then if we multiply both this surface area into height, then unit will be cubic meter. Now we can calculate this 3750 into 1 by 100. This 0 is cancelled out. So the volume is 37.5 cubic meter. And it is said that cost of graveling is rupees 6.40. So we should have to multiply this with this volume, and if we multiply this, the total cost of graveling, that is equal to 37.5 into 6.40. You can simplify this. This will be the amount required to graveling this with pebbles. then we can calculate this easily. That is 37 by 37.5. I am converting this in fraction into 640 by 100. Now this is cancelled, so you should have to multiply this 375 into 64. You can also calculate this. So rupees 240 will be the answer, as 2400 divided by 100, that means 240. Rupees 240 is the amount required for graveling this. Understood? Again I am describing this. Okay, this was the surface area. This is the surface area. This is the surface area. That is 3750 meter square. This was the first surface, and it is raised up to height 1 centimeter like this. So figure is exactly like this. So this is the height 1 centimeter. So volume can be calculated easily by multiplying the base or surface area into height. Then we will get volume and total cost. We have to find the total cost of graveling by the pebbles. Okay, area is 3750 square meter, and if we multiply this with the height, then we will get the volume of the gravel. So 37.5 cubic meter is the volume of the surface area. Now the cost of graveling, that will be the 37.5 into 6.40. Very easy sum. I think you all understand all this thing. Okay, this is a very easy sum, I think, and you have to complete all these sums in this way. What is the area? If this is the, suppose this is a cuboid, or any, if it is a cuboid, then what will be the area? Suppose this is a cuboid, okay? This is a cuboid. It has a length, it has a breadth, and it also has height. So total volume will be length into breadth into height. That will be the volume. First we have to find out the surface area, this, and if we multiply this room is also like a cuboid. It has a length, it has a breadth, and then it is very easy. Suppose this is a cuboid. Cuboid, it has a length, it has a breadth, it has also height. The length into breadth into height, that is the volume. And in that sum, surface area, that means this base is given already. And if we multiply this with the height, then we will get the total volume of the gravel. Okay, and it is said that cost of graveling is 6.40 per cubic meter. So I have already found out the surface area into this. So I have already found out the volume, and if we multiply volume of this cuboid with the rate is 6.40. That means 6 rupees 40 paisa per cubic meter. So it is very easy sum, and you can calculate all these things. This is rough. Okay, understood?